श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अथ सप्तमः पाठः। सौहार्दं प्रकृतेः शोभा। सौहार्दं प्रकृतेः शोभा. The beauty of nature is सौहार्दं, is amity. अयं पाठः परस्परं स्नेहसौहार्दपूर्णः व्यवहारः स्यात् इति बोधयति. This chapter that we have in our syllabus here, it bodhayati, it teaches us that स्यात् किं परस्परं स्नेह सौहार्दपूर्णः व्यवहारः. स्नेह, amity and comity. Our transactions in the world should be with a lot of friendship, goodwill, and parasparam. It should be mutual. It should be a symbiotic, synergetic relationship. Bodhayati. Samprati vayam pashyamah yat. Today we see that समाजे जनाः आत्माभिमानिनः संजाताः. Samaje, in the society, janaha, the people have grown to become atmabhimaninaha, to be self-centered and selfish and prideful. Te parasparam tiraskurvanti. They disagree with everyone and each and everyone. Tiraskurvanti. They deny the stance of the others even before they have heard their stance. स्वार्थपूरणे संलग्नाः ते परेषां कल्याण विषये नैव किमपि चिन्तयन्ति. स्वार्थपूरणे संलग्नाः, they are ever engrossed and busy with स्वार्थपूरणे, by fulfilling their own selfish desires, that te paresham kalyana vishaye naiva kimapi chintayanti, that they have no time at all to think about the welfare of others as well, along with their own. Tesham jivanodeshyam adhuna idam sanjatam. The state that they are in now of their life is as follows. नीचैरनीचैरतिनीचनीचैः सर्वैरुपायैः फलमेव साध्यम्. नीचैः, by low methods. Aनीचैः, by here nicha means lower method, meaning those illegal methods. Aनीचैः, which is what is that? Uchchaihi. Aneecha is opposite of Neecha, which means by legal methods. Ati Neecha Neechaihi, even by the cruelest of the most illegal actions, even through those methods. Neechaihi. Sarvaihi upayaihi phalameva sadhyam. By everyone, upayaihi, by making, by hook or by crook, by using some method, by following any path, phalameva sadhyam, the result must come. अतः समाजे पारस्परिकस्नेहसंवर्धनाय अस्मिन् पाठे पशुपक्षिणां माध्यमेन समाजे व्यवहृतम् आत्माभिमानं दर्शयन्. अतः, therefore, in this society, पारस्परिकस्नेह, the mutual amity, vardhanaya, to increase that, अस्मिन् पाठे, in this lesson, we have what? पशुपक्षिणां माध्यमेन, through the medium of pashu and pakshi, animals and birds. Samaje vyavahritam atmabhimanam, that we see in our society, the selfishness that we see and the self-centeredness that we see in the society, darshayan, showing that continuously. Prakriti matuhu madhyamena ante nishkarsha sthapitaha. Finally, in the ante, finally, nishkarsha, the verdict has been given. What is the verdict? Through the medium of Prakriti Mata, by Mother Nature. Yet that the verdict is that Kalanugunam Sarvesham Mahatvam Bhavati. Sarvesham Mahatvam Kalanugunam Bhavati. Everyone has their own contribution to the society, but it is dependent on the time and the way that they contribute. Kala Anugunam. It depends on Kala. Kala is a factor. Time. Sarve अन्योन्याश्रिता santi. Everyone is interdependent. अतः अस्माभिः स्वकल्याणाय परस्परं स्नेहेन मैत्रीपूर्णव्यवहारेण च भाव्यं. व्यवहारेण च भाव्यं. This is a bhave prayoga. Atah, therefore, asmabhi bhavyam, we should be. Asmabhi bhavyam. How should we be? Swakalyanaya, even for our own welfare, if we are paraspara snehena, if we build friendships, good friendships with people, have long lasting, sweet relationships, maitri purna vyavaharena, by being close with people and exchanging good words, goodwill, purna vyavaharena, filled with such our transactions and businesses filled with such an amity, then we asmakam swakalyanaya, that will result in swakalyana, even in our own welfare. Bhavyam. Now this patha is very easy. Sulabha. We can go quickly. Vanasya drishyam samipe एवैका नदी वहति वनस्य दृश्यं समीपे समीपे क्लोज बाय एका नदी वहति close to this drishyam समीपे this is the imagery of the forest. Now this is what the poet is describing. The scene is there is a nadi close by, there is a river close by, close to the forest. Eka simha sukhena vishramyate. One lion is sukhena vishramyate, is happily sleeping, he is resting. Tadaiva ekaha vanaraha agati tasya puchham dhunati. Then ekaha vanaraha, a monkey comes, agatya, having come there, tasya puchham dhunati, he pulls his tail. Kruddhaha simhastam prahartum ichhati, the angered lion wants to hit him. Param vanarastu kurditva vrikshamarodha, but the vanara, the monkey, climbed up the tree and went away. Tadaiva, jumped and went away. Tadaiva anyasmad vrikshat, from another tree, simultaneously from another tree, aparaha vanaraha simhasya karnam akrishya, another monkey came and he pulled the lion's ears. Punaha vrikshopari arohati, then he climbed away and climbed up the tree. Evameva vanaraha varam varam simham tudanti, and they would trouble the simha, the lion, varam varam, again and again. Evameva, similarly. Kruddhaha simhaha itastataha dhavati, the angered lion would run here and there. Itastataha, here and there. Garjati, he would roar. Param kimapi kartum asamartha eva tishtati, but finally he couldn't do anything. He was incapable of doing anything. And he would stand there. Vanaraha hasanti vrikshopare hasanti, vanaraha hasanti, the monkeys are laughing. Vriksha upari cha vividhaha pakshinaha api simhasya etadrishim dasham drishtva, and the other birds which are present atop the tree, vividhaha pakshinaha, different kinds of birds, maina, nightingales, owls, eagles, vultures, etc. All of them are sitting there. And simhasya etadrishim dasham, and they are looking at the plight of this simha, this laughable plight, and harsha mishritam kalaravam kurvanti, and they are chirping away in their delight, in their and they are perhaps also joking amongst themselves. Nidra bhanga dukkhena vanarajaha san api tuchha jivaihi atmanaha एतादृश्या दुरवस्थया श्रान्तः सर्वजन्तून् दृष्ट्वा पृच्छति. निद्राभंग दुःखेन, because the nidrabhanga, his sleep was obstructed, was hindered, dukhena, by that sorrow, vanaraja sannapi, even although he was distressed, sannapi tuchha jivaihi atmanah etadrishya duravasthaya shrantah, he was tired, shrantah, of himself, of his condition in which he was troubled by tuchha jiva, by animals that he considered lower than him, inferior to him. Sarva jantun drishtva prachati. Now he is addressing every creature there, and he says, Simha, krodhena garjan, bhoho, aham vanarajaha, kim bhayanna jayate, kimartham mamevan tudanti sarve militva. I am the king of this forest. Don't you fear me? The literal meaning is, isn't fear born in you? Kimartham mam evam tudanti. Why do you trouble me like this? Sarve militva. Why do you all gang upon me? Eka vanaraha. Yataha tvam vanarajah bhavitvam tu sarvadha ayogyah. You are incapable of becoming the Vanaraja, the king of the forest, by all means. Raja tu rakshakah bhavati, param bhavan tu bhakshakah. A Raja, a king, should protect his people, but you are a bhakshaka, you eat people, you eat us, you eat your citizens. Apicha swarakshayamapi samarthah nasi tarhi katham asman rakshishyasi. You are not even capable of protecting your own self. Swarakshayameva asamarthah अथवा samarthah nasi na asi. You are not capable of protecting yourself. Tarhi, then what about, how will you protect us? Anyah vanarah. Kinna shruta tvaya panchatantroktihi. Haven't you heard of the Panchatantra saying? Yo na rakshate vitrastan pidyamanan parais sada jantun parthiva rupena sakrutanto na samshayah. Yo na rakshate vitrastan. Vitrastan, those who are desperate and sorrow stricken and have panicked. Pidyamanan, if they are tortured and troubled, if they are troubled by others, paraihi sada yahana rakshatihi, if he cannot save them even once. Jantun parthiva rupena sakrutantona nishayah. If he can't save these creatures, jantun, saha parthiva rupena agatah krutantah eva iti na samshayah. He is the krutanta, he is Yama. Yama, another name is Krutanta. Now he is Yama himself who has come through a body. Parthiva is a body. Parthiva Rupena, who has taken a body in the disguise of a creature who has come here, and there is no doubt that he is Yama himself. Na samshayaha. Kakaha. Satyam kathidantaya vastutah vanarajah bhavitum tu ahameva yogyah. You have, yes, Satyam kathitam, you have said the truth. Vastutah, in fact, to become, I alone am eligible to become the Vanaraja, the king of the forest. Pikaha upahasan hanya katham tvam yogyah Vanarajah bhavitum. How are you eligible in any way? यत्र तत्र का क्या इति कर्कशध्वनिना वातावरणम् आकुलीकरोषि. यत्र तत्र, anywhere, there, here, everywhere. Yat ka, you keep crowing karkashadhvanina, with a deep, disgusting, coarse voice. Vatavaranam akuli karoshi. You create anxiety. Akuli karoshi. You create anxiety and distress in the vatavarana, in the environment. Na rupam, na dhvanirasti. You neither have a good body, you are neither handsome, nor na dhvanihi. You don't have a sweet voice. Pikaha is a cuckoo. Krishnavarnam medhya bhakshakam tvam katham vanarajam manyamahe vayam. Krishnavarnam, you are black in color. Medhya amedhya bhakshakam, you eat what is to be eaten and what is not to be eaten. Which means you eat both shit and dung, and you also eat rotten meat, and you also eat things which are edible also. Bhakshakantvam, when you have no discrimination at all, how will we accept you? Katham manyamahe vayam, how will we accept you as our Vanaraja? Kaka, are kin jalpasi. Why do you chat like this? Why do you stop your chatter? Yadi aham Krishnavarnaha tarhi tvam kim Gaurangaha. Okay, if you say that I am black in color, are you yourself so white? अपि च विस्मर्यते किं यत् मम सत्यप्रियता तु जनानां कृते उदाहरणस्वरूप. And do you remember? Does it elide you? Does it vanish from your head? Do you not remember that mama satyapriyata, my integrity to the truth, Tu jananam krite udaharana swarupa. I set an example to people when they say Andritam vadasi chet kako dashet. If you speak a lie, then a crow will bite you. Which means a crow knows which is a lie and which is the truth. Satyapriyata iti prakarena. Asmakam parishramaha aikyam cha vishwapratitam. Our parishrama, the effort that we put, and aikyam, and our unity in the crows, vishwaprathitam, it is known throughout the world. It is famous in the world itself. Pratha means fame. Prathitam, it is famous. Api cha kakacheshtaha vidyarthi eva adarsha chhatraha manyate. And there is also another saying in Samskrita Subhashita where a vidyarthi should be kakacheshta. He should emulate a kaka, a crow, to become a model student. I am a model. I am an inspiration to students, is what Kaka is saying. Pika, the koel. Alam alam ati vikathanena. Stop your boasting. Too much, too much. Ati vikathanena. Kim vismaryate yat. Does it not hit on you? What? Kakah krishnah pikah krishnah ko bhedah pika kakayoh vasanta samaye prapte kakah kakah pikah pikah. Have you forgotten the saying which says kakah krishnah pikah krishnah ko bhedah pika kakayoh? Don't think that just because you are also black and I am also black, we both are placed on an equal footing and we both are similar. Vasanta samaye prapte, when the spring season comes, what happens? The koel will chirp in a sweet voice, but a kaka will definitely crow horribly and disgustingly. Kakaha kakaha. There we can identify a kaka to be a kaka, a crow to be a crow, and a cuckoo to be a cuckoo. Which means their nature comes known at the right time. Kakaha, re parabhrit. Oh, you brooder. Parabhrit, you brood in others' nests. Aham yat yadi tava santatim na palayami tarhi kutra syuh pikaha. If I don't take care of your offsprings, what will happen to from where will the cuckoo family come? Ataha ahameva karunaparaha pakshi samrat kakaha. Therefore, I am the compassionate one. Karunaparaha, I am the most compassionate. Pakshi samrat, I am the king of wings. King of wings, the crow. Gajaha. Samipataha eva agachan, coming close by. Are sarvam sambhashanam shrunvannevaham atra gacham. I have heard all of the conversation that has been going on till now, and after listening to them patiently, I have come here. Aham vishalakayaha. I have a large body. Balashali, I am so strong. Parakrami, I can conquer others and attack them. Simha vasyat athava anyah kopi. Vanyapashuntu tudantam jantum aham swashundena podhayitva marayishyami. Be he a lion or any other creature, anyone who tudantam, one who troubles other vanya pashun, one who troubles any other wild animals, aham, I will swashundena, with my trunk, podhayitva marayishyami, I will squeeze him and kill him, squeeze him to death. Kimanyah kopyasti etadrishah parakrami. Is there anyone else who is as strong and valiant as I am? Attaha ahameva yogyaha vanaraja padaya. Therefore, I myself am eligible for the position of Vanaraja, to be elected. Vanaraha, are evam va. Is it so? Shigrameva gajasyapi pucham vidhuya vrikshopari arohati. Similarly, he comes again. Quickly, he pulls the tail of the elephant and he climbs up the tree and sits there. Gajaha tam vrikshameva swashundena alodayitum ichhati. Now the Gaja becomes angry. The elephant becomes angry and he wants to shake the entire tree itself with his trunk, param, but vanarastu kurditva anyam vraksham arohati. The vanara, the monkey would climb and quickly go away to jump into another tree. Evam gajam vrikshat vriksham prati dhavantam drishtva, seeing this elephant going from one trunk to another trunk, using his trunk to fell down the trees. Simha api hasati vadati cha. He also, the Simha also is smiling, he is laughing, and he speaks thus. Boho gaja mamapyevameva atudannete vanaraha. Ede vanaraha mamapi evameva atudan. They also troubled me similarly. Vanaraha etasmadev tu kathayami yad ahameva yogyah vandaraja. Therefore I say that I myself am eligible for the position of the chair of Vanaraja Yena, because so that Vishalakayam Parakramanam Bhayankaram Chapi Simham Gajam Va Parajetum Samartha Asti Asmakam Jatihi. Because our species, Asmakam Jatihi tu Samartha Asti, it is capable of doing what? Of winning over Parajetum Bhayankaram Simham Chapi. Even the fierceful Simha, the fierce lion, or what is this? Elephant, or even the well-built, huge, humongous attacker Gaja also. Ataha Vanyajantunam Rakshayai Vayameva Yakshamaha. Therefore, to protect the wild creatures, we ourselves are sufficient. Kshama means sufficient to protect them. Etat sarvam shrutva nadi madhyasthitaha ekah bakaha. And hearing all of this from the nadi which was there close by, madhyastha, happily sitting in the center of the nadi, of the river, he speaks. अरे अरे मां विहाय कथम अन्यः कोऽपि राजा भवितुमर्हति. मां विहाय, other than me, katham anyah kopi raja bhavitum, who is the other one who can become a king as good as I am. Aham tu shitale jale bahukala paryantam avichalah dhyanamagnaha sthitaprajnaiva sthitva sarvesham rakshayah upayan chintayishyami. Aham tu, I sit in the cold water bahukala paryantam, for long durations, avichalah, without the slightest movement, dhyanamagnaha, as if in meditation, sthita prajnaiva, as if my intellect is steady, sthitva, standing there, sarvesham rakshayah upayan chintayishyami. This heron is saying that I stand there thinking of the plans to protect, the methodologies, the methods to protect you all. Chintayishyami. Yojanam nirmiya cha swasabhayam vividha padam alankurvanaihi jantubihi cha militva. Yojanam nirmiya. Then I will plan out an action. I'll plan a program, and swasabhayam, in my meeting, vividha padam alankurvanaihi jantubihi. I will, in my meeting where I will call these jantu, these creatures who will who have adorned different various positions. Vividha padam. For example, a foreign minister, what do you say? A national protection minister, whatever. So that is vividha padam alankurvanaihi. Alankarvati is to adorn a seat, to adorn a position. Jantubihi cha militva, discussing with them. Rakshopayan kriyanvitan karayishyami. I will execute these plans, these legislations. Kriyanvitam, I will make them happen quickly. Ataha ahameva vanaraja padapraptaye yogyah. Therefore, I alone am the one who is the most eligible for that position. Mayuraha, a peacock. Vrikshoparitaha sattahasapurukam. Now he is sitting on a tree, and sa attahasaka, he is shouting, he is guffawing, and he says, Virama Virama Atmashlaghayaha kinnu janasi yat Shlaga Atma Shlaghayaha Virama Virama. Stop praising yourself. Stop boasting so much. Virama Virama. Take some rest. Kim nu janasi. Take some respite. Kim nu janasi. Don't you know? Yat yadi nasya narapatis samyang neta tataf praja अकर्णधारा जलधौ विप्लवेते हनौरिव यदि न स्यात् नरपतिः यदि नरपतिः if the king सम्यक् नेता न स्यात् if he is not a good leader ततः प्रजा similarly the citizens also अकर्णधाराः जलधौ as if in a tsunami in a viplava in a tsunami or in a flood in the ocean jaladho if they are akarnadharaha if they don't as though they have no other help they don't have any other boat to ride on if they don't even have a raft as people would die in an ocean by sinking by drowning viplavet viplaveta iha nauriva if if a ship does not have these what is this rescue rafts is that right yes rescue rafts if they don't have that in case of the Titanic banging against an iceberg it would definitely sink into the ocean and similarly all those passengers would die. Comparing this, using this analogy, a Narapati who is to lead the other citizens, if he is not a good leader, Samyang Neta Nasti Na Tataha, therefore, the Praja also would sink in their miseries. Ko na janati tava dhyanavastham. Who doesn't know of your dhyana? Who doesn't know of your meditation? Sthita prajna iti vyajena varakan minan छलेन अधिगृह्य क्रूरतया भक्षयसि you say you claim to be you pretend to be a sthita prajna of a steady intellect and using that excuse vyajena by that excuse varakan minan by these innocent fishes chalena using trickery treachery adhigrihya you catch them and kruradaya bhakshasi you eat them alive you eat them in the most inhumane way धिक त्वाम curse you तव कारणात् तु सर्वं पक्षिकुलमेव avamanitam jatam because of this one baka who is claiming to be a neta the entire pakshikula the entire class of pakshi of birds the class aves has been avamanita has been disowned and disrespected. Vanaraha sagarvam with a lot of pride. Ata eva kathayami yate ahameva yogyaha vanarajapadaya. Again he repeats the same thing that he himself is eligible. Shigrameva he is the most appropriate. Shigrameva mama rajyabhishekaya tatparaha bhavanto sarve vanyajivaha let the wild animals Tatparaha bhavantu, let them become busy with what? Rajyabhishekaya mama. Let them become busy with the coronation ceremony. It is decided that I myself am the best king possible. Mayuraha, are vanara, tushnim bhava, shut up. You sit quietly. Katham tvam yogyaha vanarajapadaya, how are you eligible? Pashyatu mama shirase, raja mukutamiva shikham sthapayata vidhatra eva aham pakshirajaha. Pashyatu, see my head. On my head I have this crown. Raja Mukutam Eva Shekha. I have this crown like thing and kept by Vidhatra, which means Brahma, who keeping it on my head himself has crowned me to be Pakshi Raja, to be the king of the birds. Kritaha, I have been made so. Ataha vane nivasantam mam Vanaraja Rupenapi Drashtum Sajjaha Bhavantu. Now I am already the king of birds. Now in this vana, in this forest, Nivasantam Mam, since I live in this forest, I am also the right appropriate king for this entire forest itself. Sajjaha Bhavantu, get ready now. यतः कथं कोऽप्यन्यः विधातुः निर्णयम् अन्यथा कर्तुं क्षमः. Can you oppose or go against or challenge the Brahma's will to make me the king? Can anyone do that? Kakah savyangyam, with a lot of sarcasm, and he says, Are ahibhuk, aya ahibhuk, one who eats, you who eats snakes, nrityatiriktam ka tava visheshata. Atiriktam, other than nritya, other than dancing, katava visheshata, what other speciality do you have? What other qualification do you have? Yat tvam vanarajapadaya yogyam manyamahe vayam, because of which we are somehow logically we could accept that you could become the king. What other qualification do you have? Mayuraha. Yataha mama nrityam tu prakriter aradhana. My dance is celebrating nature. Pashya pashya, see me. See here. Mama picchanam apurvam saundaryam. See my trail of peacock feathers. See my feathers. Picchanam apurvam saundaryam. There has never been a beauty as comparable to this. Picchan udghatya. Now it opens its feathers, and then nritya mudrayam sthitasan. And he stands in a dancing posture like Bharatanatyam. He standing there, sun still doing that. Na kopi trailokye matsadashas sundaraha. There is no one in these three worlds, Naraka, Bhu and Swarga, who is as beautiful as I am. Vanya jantunam upari akramanam kartaram tu aham. If anyone were to attack any wild animal, अहम स्वसौंदर्येण नृत्येन च आकर्षितं कृत्वा I will, with my beauty, with my beautiful dance, I will entice him, I will catch his attention, and then vanat bahishkarishyami, then I will lead him away from the forest. Bahishkarishyami, I will lead him away, I will throw him away. Ataha ahameva yogyah vanarajapadaya, therefore I myself am eligible. एतस्मिन्नेव काले व्याघ्रचित्रकौ अपि नदीजलं पातुम् आगतौ एतं विवादं श्रुत्वा वदतः च. At the same time काले व्याघ्रचित्रकौ, the two what is that? Vyaghra is tiger, Chitraka is cheetah. These two come to near the Nadijala, near the to drink the Nadijala, the water of the river. Agatau, to vivadam shrutah, they hear the argument and they speak. Are kim vanaraja padaya supatram chiyate. Oh, is there a person being chosen for the vanaraja post? Etadartham tu avameva yogyo. We two are, the two of us are the best candidates. Yasya kasyapi chayanam kurvantu sarvasammatya. Even if you would elect anyone as the leader, we actually in fact are the best candidates. Simha tushtim bhava. Shut up. Yuvamapi matsadusho bhakshakau nadurakshakau. You both, I know, you belong to my family. You are in my group. You are also the bhakshaka. You also eat people. You eat others, other creatures. You are not a rakshaka. You don't protect them. Ete vanyajivaha bhakshakam rakshaka pada yogyam na manyante. They don't consider a bhakshaka, an eater, to be eligible for the rakshaka pada, the padavi, the position of a protector. Ata eva vichara vimarshaha prachalati. Therefore, this argument started. Bakaha, the crane or the heron, says, Sarvatha samyaguktam simha mahodayena. Now he calls him Mahodaya. Simha mahodayena sarvatha samyaguktam. It is well said. The Simha Mahodaya, the great honorable Sir, Simha has told it right. Vastutaha eva Simhena bahukala paryantam shasanam kritam. In fact, the Simha was himself the king of the forest for a long time. Param, but adhuna tu kopi pakshi eva rajayate nischetavyam. But now it's time for a bird to become the Raja. Iti nischetavyam. It should be decided. Atra tu samshiti leshasyapi avakasha eva nasti. Since now the term of the an animal being the king is over. Now it is right. There should be no queries and qualms about bird being the Vanaraja. सर्वे पक्षिणः उच्चैः आमामाम् आमामाम् आमामाम्. Everyone agrees, it says yes, yes, yes. कश्चित् खगः एव वनराजः भविष्यति इति. They chirp aloud. Some bird should itself become the Vanaraja. परं कश्चिदपि खगः आत्मानं विना नान्यं कमपि अस्मै पदाय योग्यं चिन्तयन्ति. Similarly, one of the other birds are debating and arguing how they alone are the most eligible amongst others. Tarhi katham nirnayah bhavet, then how is the decision possible? Tada tai sarvaihi gahana nidrayam nischintam swapantam ulukam vikshya vicharitam. Now they see the sleeping in the deep sleep, gahana nidrayam nischintam, in this uluka, the owl which is sleeping, which is dreaming without any worries, nischintam vikshya vicharitam. Now seeing him, looking towards him, they think by themselves, yad eshaha atmashlagha hinaha padanirliptaha ulukaha eva asmakam raja bhavishyati. This uluka, this owl, which is atmashlagha hinaha, which is not boastful, and padanirliptaha, he has no concern about, he has no longing, craving for the padavi, for the post. This uluka itself, himself, is the best candidate to become the Raja. Parasparam adishanti cha tadaniyantam nripabhisheka sambandhinah sambharaha iti. Parasparam adishanti cha. Now they command each other. Tadanim tam nripabhisheka sambandhinah sambharaha iti. Now they command each other for what should be done for the logistics of how the commemoration ceremony is to take place. The coronation ceremony, sorry. Nripa Abhisheka, to crown the king. Sambharaha, the arrangements should be taken care of. Sarve pakshinaha sajjaye gantum icchanti. Everyone wants to go away to make their respective arrangements. Tarhi anayasaha eva. Then anayasaha, without any effort, they were ready to go away. But then kakaha, the crow, he comes again. Attahasa purnena swarena. He is shouting he is guffawing, and he is saying in a loud voice, in a loud pitch, sarvatha ayuktametat. It is sarvatha, it is through all ways, it is inappropriate. What is it? Yat, that Mayura, Hamsa, Kokila, Chakravaka, Shuka, Sarasadishu, Pakshi Pradhaneshu, Vidyamaneshu, Divandhasyasya, Karala Vaktrasya, Abhishekartham, Sarve Sajjaha. Yat Mayura, that the peacock, swan, Kokila, the cuckoo, Chakravaka, another type of bird. Chakravaka, probably it could be the sparrow. Shuka, the parrot. Sarasa, Maina, Adishu, etc. Pakshi Pradhaneshu, some of these leaders, the representatives of these birds. Vidyamaneshu, when such great eminent leaders are present. Divandhasya, who is blind in the day, blind by the day. Diva is in the morning. Andha is blind. Asya. Karala Vaktrasya, his face, Vaktra is Karala, is so fierceful. He's always furious. Karala, he has fangs like beak. Abhishekartham, for his coronation. Sarve sajjaha santi, and you are ready to coronate him. Purnam dinam yavat nidrayamanaha eshaha. Day along, day in and day out, he is just sleeping. He spends his entire day sleeping. Nidrayamanaha, continuously sleeping. Eshaha katham asman rakshishyati. If he sleeps all day, how can he protect us? Vastutastu, in fact, स्वभावरौद्रमत्युग्रं क्रूरमप्रियवादिनम् उलूकं नृपतिं कृत्वा कानुसिद्धिर्भविष्यति. स्वभावरौद्रम, he is angry by nature, an owl is always angry by nature. Ugram, he looks as though he is a terrorist. Kruram, he is cruel. Apriyavadinam, he always speaks that he speaks lies. Apriyavadinam, he doesn't speak well, he speaks very harshly. Ulukam nripatim kritva, if one were to crown him the king, this owl, kanu siddhir bhavishyati, what is to happen, what can be imagined to happen, what is the achievement there. Tataha pravishati prakriti mata, and from there prakriti mata, mother nature, enters. Prakriti mata sasneham, with a lot of compassion and in a friendly voice, in a friendly manner. Bhoho bhoho praninaha, listen to me, O praninaha, O animals and birds. Yuyam sarve eva me santatihi, all of you are indeed my own offsprings, my own children. Katham mithaha kalaham kurvanti, katham, how, mithaha means together, together or amongst yourself. Mithaha kalaham kurvanti, why do you fight? Vastutaha sarve vanyajivinaha anyonyashritaha, every wildlife here is interdependent. Sadaiva smarata, always remember. Dadati pratigrihnati guhyamaakhyati pruchhati bhunkte bhojayate chaiva shadvidham priti lakshanam. Dadati pratigrihnati, a friend. Shadvidham priti lakshanam, the six characteristics of priti, of love is dadati, one is a person is ready to give. Pratigrihnati, one he is ready to accept it. Guhyam akhyati, if there is anything which is which the other person does not know, he will bring it to his notice. And prichhati, he asks him if there is any problem. Bhunkte, he eats it himself, he enjoys that relationship. Bhojayate, he also allows the other person to do so. Now, doing these six things, shadvidham priti lakshanam, if you are doing these six things, then definitely you are in love. Sarve praninaha samaveta swarena, everyone in unison. Samaveta swarena. Mataha, mother. Mataha, mother. Kathayati tu bhavati sarvadha samyak, you speak all of this very right, you speak it, what you say is right, is appropriate. Param vayam bhavatim na janimaha, but we don't know who you are. Bhavatyaha parishayah kaha, what is your introduction? Prakriti Mata says, aham prakritihi, I am nature. Yushmakam sarvesham janani, your mother, the mother whose offsprings you all are. Yuyam sarve eva me priyaha, all of you are very dear to me. Sarvesham eva matkrite mahatvam vidyate, all of you have your own contributions and uses in me. Vidyate yatha samayam, as time comes, some probably in the rainy season we would say peacock has a greater importance, has a greater glory, but in some other time during the spring we would say the kokila. Similarly, as time passes and in their appropriate times, they have their own mahatva, they have their own glory. Na tavat kalahena samayam vritha yapayantu. Na tavat, therefore, it is not right for you to kalahena samayam vritha yapayantu. So do not na yapayantu. Kalahena, don't waste your own time. Vritha, waste it in vain. Kalahena, by your arguments and by your fights. Apitu, instead, militva eva modadhvam, get together in a party maybe and enjoy be happy. Jeevanam cha rasamayam kurudham, make your own lives rasamaya, filled with joy and bliss. Tad yatha kathitam, tat yatha kathitam, live like that as is said. Praja sukhe sukham rajnyah, prajanam cha hite hitam, नात्म प्रियम हितम राज्ञः प्रजानां तु प्रियम हितम. प्रजा सुखे सुखम राज्ञः. प्रजा सुखे, in the when the sukhe, when in the happiness of the citizens, in the happiness of their people, rajnya sukham asti. The happiness of a king is in the happiness of his people. Prajanam cha hite hitam. Rajnya hitam. What is good to a king is goodness of his own people. Prajanam hite eva hitam asti. Na atma priyam hitam rajnyah. Atma priyam hitam rajnyah nasti. There is nothing which is hitam for a rajnya, that is, which is appropriate for a king, which is good for a king, if it is atma priyam. If he likes it by himself, if he is selfish and if he likes it for himself. Prajanam tu priyam hitam. Whatever is desirable and good for his own people, that itself is good for the king also. Apicha अगाध जल संचारी नगर्वं याति रोहितः अंगुष्ठोदक मात्रेण शफरी पुर्फुरायते. अगाध जल संचारी रोहितः, the rohu fish, which is a large fish which moves in the ocean, in the deep waters of the ocean. Na garvam yati, it never becomes boastful. It never shows its pride. But angushtha udaka matrena, if a little bit in the aquarium, angushtha jala matrena, if a little bit of water is filled, udaka is water, is filled to the level of an angusht, to the level of a thumb, even if in so much of water, shapari is another kind of fish, a small fish, maybe that goldfish that we see, purpurayate, it becomes so happy and it starts blowing bubbles. Meaning to say, it starts saying its own stories of how it has achieved a lot. When in fact the rohita, the rohu fish, has been traveling in the deep ocean, facing so much trouble, and yet there is not a word of praise, of self-praise. अतः भवन्तः सर्वे शफरीवत् एकैकस्य गुणस्य चर्चां विहाय, therefore stop doing this argument, stop this debate and argument of who is better than whom, just like a shafari, the goldfish, would do. Militva prakriti saundaryaya vanarakshayai cha prayatantam. Therefore, if you come together, if you join hands, prakriti saundaryaya, to enhance the beauty of the environment of nature, vanarakshayai cha, to protect your own forest, the habitat, prayatantam, put your efforts. Sarve prakriti mataram pranamanti. Everyone bows down to the nature, mother nature. Militva dridha sankalpa purvakam cha gayanti. Now, having taken a firm oath, dridha sankalpam purvakam, having done that before, now they sing. Praninam jayate hanif paraspara vivadatah अन्योन्यसह योगेन लाभस्तेषां प्रजायते. प्राणिनां जायते हानिः परस्पर विवादतः, by internal conflicts, प्राणिनां हानिः जायते, a destruction of prani, the animals, is ascertained, is assured. But anyonya sahayogena, by living along with each other interdependently, by symbiotic relationships, tesham labha prajayate, but the benefits would be theirs itself. They would grow reap a lot of benefits. Praninam jayate hanif paraspara vivadatah anyonya sahayogena labhastesham prajayate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.